Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Kids, first we use the color of black and now we draw the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the alphabet of A and the next one is B. Kids, the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. And the next one is E. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for goat. And the next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw I. I for ice cream. J. And the next one is K. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. And the next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. O for orange. P. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. R. S. T. U. And the next one is V. The next one is W. Kids, now we draw X. Y. The last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.